In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to set up and customize your Coffee Cup Reading Widget using the Divine API dashboard. This widget provides a unique and interactive way to uncover hidden messages through coffee grounds, offering insights into your past, present, and future. Let's dive in. To get started, log into your Divine API dashboard by opening the login page in your browser. Enter your registered email and password, then click Sign In. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard, where all features and tools are conveniently accessible. On your dashboard, locate the Widgets option in the left-hand menu and click on it. This will display a list of available widget categories. From here, select Popular Picks, and then choose the Coffee Cup Reading option to proceed to its customization panel. Now, let's integrate the widget into your website. The customization panel provides 3 integration options. You can use the script code snippet to embed the widget directly into your website's HTML, an iframe code for platform flexibility, or a WordPress shortcode for easy integration into WordPress pages or posts. Choose the option that suits your platform, copy the code, and paste it into your website's backend. This will make the widget live. Next, let's customize the widget to align with your branding. Start by creating a new setting by clicking plus Create New Setting, or edit an existing one. Name your configuration like Coffee Reading, Mystic Design. For easy reference, you can personalize the design by selecting from pre-designed color themes like Serenity or Evergreen, or by customizing colors to match your brand. Choose fonts that suit your website style, whether it's an elegant serif like Cormorant Garamond or a modern sans serif like DM Sans. You can customize the main heading and subheading to align with the purpose of your widget. For instance, set the heading to Coffee Cup Reading, Discover Hidden Messages to make it clear and engaging for your users. As a subheading, you could use something like, Let the Coffee Grounds Reveal the Secrets of Your Journey. This combination offers clarity and adds valuable context to help users understand the widget's purpose and benefits. The image alignment setting lets you control the placement of images within the widget. You can align images to the left, right, or center, depending on your website's layout and design preferences. The button label feature lets you customize the text on the interactive button. For example, you can change the default Get Another to match your branding. Finally, the button position setting lets you choose where the button appears within the widget. You can select left, right, or center to align it with the overall design and layout. Before finalizing, use the preview functionality to see how the widget will look on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. This ensures the design and content are consistent across all platforms. Once satisfied, click Save to store your changes. Then click the Back button to return to the widget overview, where you can copy the updated code for integration into your website. That's it. You've successfully set up and customized your Coffee Cup Reading Widget. This unique feature adds an interactive and engaging element to your website, allowing your audience to uncover hidden messages through coffee grounds. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to contact our support team. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.